Hey guys, what's up? This is John. Hey, I'm getting ready to do my league tonight, at Westy tonight. And before I go, I'm gonna show you how I clean my bowling balls and get ready for my league tonight. And this is the steps that I use. This is the steps that I do every time before I go bowl. That be in tournament or league. So I'll show you all the steps that I do. So this is my LT48 Gold. Okay. Now I use my cleaner. Okay. And then I spray up my ball. Okay. And spray my bottles. Okay. And I clean it. Again. To me, guys, this is the best cleaner ever. I got it from my post shop, and if I ever need to go get it refilled, it's $1.50 to get this thing refilled. Okay, and I do this. Okay, now it's clean. Because now, do you hear that? Tacky, okay, and now I use, and now I use a 2000 Truecut pad, okay, and then I do the ball. And this 2000, you guys, with this old bowling ball, it works really well. And it's just amazing. And this is the steps that I do with this ball every time. I keep it at 2000 grit all the time. And this is just me doing it by hand because I don't have a ball spinner yet. But this year when I get a ball spinner, it's gonna be a lot easier. And see the stuff on it? Watch this. And now it's clean again. Okay, now I do like this. Okay, well, that's one ball done. Okay, then I get another ball. Here's my other one. Same process, clean it again. Okay, then I'm not gonna worry about cleaning this one because I don't use it that often again. And I'm gonna use a 2000 Pucha again on my Twisted Fury ball. And so these are the steps that I do every time before I go do league or do tournaments. Okay, and I spray it off again. Okay, and I go again. Okay, that one's now done. Okay, now I get my Brunswick Ultimate Inferno ball. Okay, and now this one I'm cleaning it because I used it last week in league. And guys, this is what I do to get my bowling balls clean. I get my bowling balls ready for a league tonight or tournaments. This is the steps that I use. Okay, and now it's tacky. Okay, now I'm gonna use a 500. I'm gonna use a 500D pad. again. Get all the stuff off. Okay, and now I'll do this again. This is what I do, guys. Every time before I do legal tournaments, this is what I do. And in the summertime or springtime, when I get my taxes, I'm gonna buy a ball spinner, and this will be a lot more easier for me. Okay, so this ball now has a 500 grit Truecut pad on it. Alright guys, so now this is my spare ball. Okay, I clean it too, because I use it as my spare ball and it gets dirty. Okay, now it's all clean, no more stuff on it. Now I go back, and then I put a 200 grit. I put 200 grit on my spare ball. The reason why I put a 2000 grit on my spare ball, you guys, is because I know a spare ball goes straight, and sometimes I can use it as my strike ball. And putting 200 on it makes it like a modified urethane ball, but it's a spare ball, and I can move far right and just keep my hand more behind it, and it just goes right into the pocket. And I mean, yes, I know a spare ball doesn't carry as much, but this is what I do to my spare ball every time. Okay, and now see how it's dirty? Wipe it off. Okay, now it's clean, and now I do it again. And this is my steps, you guys. This is my steps for doing my bowling balls before league. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how I clean my bowling balls. And if you like it, like, share, comment on my channel. Press that bell notification button to all, so when this video gets posted, you guys will know about it. And please keep on subscribing. I really appreciate it, and thank you all guys so much. Bye for now. Hi you guys, this is what I'm bringing with me to league tonight. My LT48 Gold from Brunswick, my Ultimate Inferno from Brunswick, and my Twisted Fairy from Brunswick. And it's a pin down, it's controllable. This one is to the left of it, is controllable, and this one's left of controllable. So these are the 3 balls I'm going to bring tonight in my storm bag. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy. Alright, bye for now.